In a world driven by innovation and technological advancement, incredible inventions are shaping our future in ways we never thought possible. From the laboratories of brilliant minds to the vastness of space, these inventions have the power to revolutionize our lives. CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing, a breakthrough technology allowing us to rewrite the code of life itself, holds the promise of curing genetic diseases and transforming medicine. Reusable rockets pioneered by companies like SpaceX are conquering the final frontier, making space travel more accessible and affordable than ever before. Imagine a future where organs are printed on demand, saving countless lives and eliminating the organ shortage crisis. Thanks to 3D printing technology, that future is closer than we think. Quantum computers, with their unparalleled processing power, have the potential to solve complex problems in seconds, revolutionizing fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence. Self-driving cars promise to transform transportation as we know it, making roads safer, reducing congestion, and giving everyone the freedom to travel with ease. Artificial photosynthesis technologies harness the power of the sun to produce clean fuels, offering a sustainable solution to our energy needs and combating climate change. Bionic exoskeletons enhance human strength and mobility, giving hope to those with mobility impairments and revolutionizing industries by augmenting human capabilities. Nanobots, microscopic robots capable of performing tasks at the molecular level, have the potential to revolutionize medicine by delivering targeted treatments and combating diseases. Hydrogen fuel cells offer a clean and efficient alternative to traditional combustion engines, paving the way for a greener future with zero-emission transportation and energy storage. And augmented reality glasses provide immersive experiences, transforming industries like gaming, education, healthcare, and manufacturing. These incredible inventions are not just shaping the future, they are defining it. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has only just begun.